The latest iPhone? Sleek, desirable, a status symbol. But what if I told you you could own a luxury car, a used BMW or Jaguar, for around the same price? Gone are the days when a prestigious badge meant an inaccessible price tag. The second-hand market is a treasure trove of affordable luxury waiting to be discovered. Forget the iPhone. Think bigger, bolder, and get ready to experience the thrill of driving your dream car. Imagine yourself cruising down the motorway, the purr of a powerful engine beneath you, the envious glances of other motorists washing over your, admittedly second-hand, leather seats. It's a feeling like no other, and it's closer than you think. The pre-owned market is teeming with luxury cars, their value depreciated but their allure undiminished. For the price of a new iPhone, you could be the proud owner of a car that turns heads and sparks conversations wherever you go. Don't believe me? Read on, and prepare to be amazed. New cars depreciate fast, it's a fact of life, but this depreciation is your gain when you look at the used car market. A brand new BMW 5 Series might set you back a small fortune, but a model just a few years older? Suddenly, it's within reach. We're talking prices comparable to, yes, you guessed it, that shiny new iPhone. Online auction sites and dealerships are bursting with used luxury cars at surprisingly attainable prices. A quick search reveals used BMW 3 Series models for as little as £8,000, while a well-maintained Jaguar XF can be yours for under £10,000. Suddenly that iPhone isn't looking so appealing, is it? Remember, these aren't just any cars. These are luxury vehicles with a pedigree, offering a driving experience that belies their price tag. So, ditch the phone upgrade and invest in an upgrade that truly matters, an upgrade to your life. Finding your dream used luxury car is easier than you think. Online platforms like AutoTrader and eBay Motors have vast inventories, while specialist used car dealerships offer a curated selection. Don't shy away from auctions either, they can be a goldmine for bargain hunters. Before you part with your hard-earned cash, do your homework. Thorough research is crucial. Check the car's history, mileage, and service records. Get an independent inspection to ensure there are no hidden surprises. Remember, knowledge is power. Arm yourself with information and you'll be well placed to negotiate a great deal on your dream used luxury car. Owning a luxury car doesn't have to mean expensive maintenance. Independent garages often offer more competitive rates than franchise dealerships, while online forums can be a treasure trove of tips and advice from fellow owners. Plan for regular servicing and factor in the cost of parts. Don't be afraid to shop around for the best deals and consider learning to do some basic maintenance yourself. A little effort can go a long way in keeping those running costs down. Remember, owning a luxury car is about more than just the badge, it's about the experience. And with a bit of savvy and planning, that experience can be yours for less than you think. So ditch the iPhone upgrade, embrace the pre-owned revolution, and prepare to enjoy the ride of your life.